One of my subscriber emailed me that he made $234 using Facebook and Instagram, that is free organic traffic. He promoted Clickbank product, XCPure and Java Burn using one of my Quills board method, and he used this landing page to promote the offer, which is amazing landing page. And this is the landing page he used to drive $214. I am getting a lot of emails like this, but this email is really special because this guy is just 2 months old. Here you can see he's just 2 months old in affiliate marketing, but he used amazing method that is providing values to the audience. Whereas guys, 98% new affiliate marketers, they just throw the links in the internet. In this video guys, I'm going to show you right how you can create this kinds of landing page like this. This is the advanced landing page guys, which I use to promote with Google ads as well as Bing ads. And this landing page is very effective with organic traffic. So if you're promoting with Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube or Facebook group guys, this is the landing page, right, which convert very well. I'm going to show you how you can improvise this landing page to this landing page, which will give you sales, as well as my proven 100% proven strategy which I use in this landing page to get the sales. I can bet you guys you have never seen that method. Watch this video till the end guys. Smash the like button, subscribe my channel Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos Monday and Thursday. This is the landing page my subscriber used, and that is 12 tips to help you lose weight. And this is the landing page which I use with Google ads, Bing ads, as well as free traffic, which convert like crazy. Guys, one very important thing is this is not a simple sum points, okay, which you wrote. Okay, this is not like that. Okay, there is a lot of things which you have to understand while creating this kinds of landing page, especially with organic traffic. Okay, if you simply create a landing page like this, you will get very less conversion. Whereas guys, he definitely made $234 here. That is good. You can make more effective this landing page. So now guys, let's start from the headline here. So we'll go to this page. So if you see this headline guys, this says 12 tips to help you lose weight. Now you have to understand this guys. Headline and your sub headline here or your title is really important. This is just a simple and general title guys. If you type like 12 tips to help you lose weight, right, nobody want to read. The reason is these tips are already available here. Like look at this 23 tips here, right, 21 tips to weight loss. So the question is guys, what is there in your landing page that they will read your landing page? What makes your landing page to read? Okay, what is the difference? That all you have to show in your headline. Headline is a hook guys. Now how can you make the changes here? So here you can see this is my headline, and have a look on this. 7 simple weight loss tips for women that actually work. Okay, so now you have to understand one thing here guys. Here I use the power words. Whenever you give some number guys in your headline, that will be really effective, which is good, which he has given here. Okay, so I've given 7 simple. Now simple, everyone want easy, lazy, free guys. Okay, and simple is one of the power word. Now what is power word? To understand this guys, just type in the Google power words. You will get the first website, the Optimaster, 700 plus power word that will boost your conversion. It's very important guys. You should use this power word in your ad copy, in your simple landing page if you are promoting with organic traffic. One of the best way to promote with organic traffic is guys, sending this traffic to the content which educate, entertain and solve problem. That will bring the sales. How can you hook the audience here? With power word. And if you scroll down guys, you will get a lot of words like curious words. These are the words you have to use. You can hook the audience while reading the headline and as well as the sub headline. Okay, should have guys benefits as well as guys power word. That's what I did, right? Weight loss tips for women that actually work. Now the second very important thing is the sub headline, and that is guys, learn 7 simple science backed. Now this is the reason they will read it. Okay, why they will read? When you have a sub headline like, you know, you can lose weight now, read this 12 tips. So this is very important here. Weight loss tip for women that actually work. And guys, here comes my strategy. I said like, and discovered how this 8 tropical plant extract dissolve 59 labs fat. Okay, keep watching guys. I'm going to show you how to connect, right, this one here. Now this is my product here, and this is this Exipure. Okay, I am giving them 7 tips to read, as well as I'm also giving one of the product which will help them to, right, burn fat fast, right, to get the weight loss fast here. Okay, and remember guys, this is not a simple landing page. Once if you hook them here in the top guys, now you have to start the journey. What is this journey guys? This journey is known as taking your audience from pain island, this is the pain island, to the pleasure islands. You have to connect them each of these points, and you are taking them to a pleasure island where they'll get the solution. So here is the place where you will hook the audience through benefits and the power words, that is your headline, your sub headline. Okay, and from here onwards guys, your journey will begin from, right, pain to pleasure. Now here comes the most important thing. Give the images guys. You have not in this video, this image is amazing. Okay, but I think this image is some real image, so you must take the permission if you're promoting with paid ads. Okay, or else you can also use some, right, different other images, but these kinds of images really work compared to this image, my image. So when it comes to image, is very, very good. Okay, and this is guys, this is known as understanding their pain. Here I said I eat healthy all day, I try all the diet, I was fasting, I was going for a long walk, right, I'm taking food, I'm doing all those things, but I'm not getting the results. Now this is very, very important, where you will talk to your audience, building the understanding and trust there, that I can understand your problem. This is what you're doing here, right? This is very, very important. Make sure guys, you're not pointing out any audience, like, are you overweight, are you black, are you white, right? No paid ad or organic traffic want this. So that is the reason I said I went through this. Okay, I am hungry, I am tired, but every morning when I wait, it never changes. Sound familiar? I know, I went through this too. So with that, you're not pointing out, you're not calling out any audience, but you're building the trust with them and telling them that I can understand you. Okay, this is very, very important. If you don't build the trust, it is not going to work. Here, you have not did anything, you just have given only some point. And this is the reason guys, I always recommend beginner to stick to one niche. Stick to one niche guys for 70 to 80%. Stick to one niche, one broad niche like diabetes or weight loss. You can promote any product guys in Clickbank or a marketplace, but make sure you are becoming master of one product so that you can understand that niche pain and problems. If you don't understand guys, your copy will not convert. Now once if you did that, the point from here, diet and exercise are important component for women weight loss. Okay, but many other factors also play a big role guys. Every product promise, you don't need to do dieting, you don't need to do, right, exercise. Do not write like that guys if you're promoting with paid ads. In free traffic it's okay. Okay, always say that diet and exercise are important component for women weight loss, but many other factors also play a role. This is one of the way of not getting banned with Google ads or Bing ads, because guys, as you also know that in weight loss and diabetes guys, you have to change your lifestyle. So you can't say that, right, without having those you will get the results. And then guys, I said there is a natural way to lose weight. And what is the natural method of losing weight guys? The more calorie you burn, the easier it is to lose weight by enhancing metabolism. Now for this you should have a knowledge. In YouTube, do not watch what they are doing. Do not follow what those YouTubers are teaching you. They will someday promoting spiritual products, someday diabetes, someday, right? You can do that. You can do this. But if you're a beginner, do not do this. So here in your landing page also guys is a diabetes product, right? I know this is a Seracare, I think so. Okay, but you are promoting weight loss product in the link. And also guys, I checked your landing page and I saw that you're promoting 2 products at the same time. One is Exipure, another is a Java Man. Do not do this, right? Do not put this kinds of things. This image is very, very good, right? Instead of writing this, right, secret video, lose 21 laps fast, watch the video. Instead of writing this guys, you can insert this image here, weight loss product. Okay, no diabetics product, because guys, this kinds of image will bring you click more, because this is a really, right, weird image. How to create this kinds of weird image, I already have a video. Okay, you can watch a recent video only. Okay, so now we are back to the copy. Enhance your metabolism. So if you can understand the word metabolism, I am explaining them. Metabolism is the way guys you can actually burn the fat, okay, in a natural way. If you read the sale email copy, you will get that, right? Stick to one niche, guys. Hope you will understand. If you stick, you will get more sales in one niche. The feature should be always little. More you have to share the benefits. Then I created this image. This all image I created with Canva, guys. Now let me share with you the 7 simple weight loss for all the women who are chasing their weight loss goal this year in 2022. This is for only women. Targeting one specific location, geo and age with number is very, very important, guys. Here I'm not targeting men, only women. Okay, that's again a sales strategy. And the best part of it is you can start right now from your home, And what is the first point, guys? Add plenty of protein at every meal. Now, guys, you don't need to be doctor to write this. What you have to do, where to get the content. So here in Google, guys, just type how to lose weight for women, science back tips. So you're going to get many, right? In my case, okay. Maybe you're promoting a diabetes, then you can go from different way. Not every time science back. Understand this, okay? That is not a secret here, okay? Everything depends upon how you plan a landing page, okay? And you'll get a lot of content. Look at this 18 simple science back way to keep losing weight, okay? This is and they have given you the so many scientific methods here, okay, which they can use, right? Write it down, go nuts, right? Double your protein, right? So that's what I am doing in my landing page from here. Look at this 35 best secret for lose weight. So there is no lack of content, guys, but do not copy anybody's content. So instead of that, what you're going to do, for example, look at this, order your coffee black. Okay, just copy this content from here. And guys, use this free tool called Quillsboard. This is the method he used to make the sales, right? And if you click here, paraphrase, it will paraphrase the words and it will make you a completely new blog here, right? For example, like to help you lose weight quickly, skip the meal and sugar in your coffee and drink it black, right? To understand this method more, I will leave a link in the description, okay, where I shared you how to do it step by step properly, right? So now we are back. So now you can understand from where you can get the content. Now we are back here, right? And one of the very important here is, guys, add these images, right? Images is very, very important, guys. Your first image is good, but later you have not add any images. My second point is, guys, drink coffee. Now we are into the journey, guys, where I'm taking them to pain to pleasure. So now you have an option of adding Java bun here, okay? But in this case, I have not did that, okay? I always say that target one product with the one content, and you will see how I'm connecting the product at the end, okay? So keep watching. If you're enjoying and learning, give the thumbs up to this, guys, and then drink enough water, right? Get a good night's sleep. One of the important way to lose weight is, guys, build muscle. The sixth point is say no to stress. Now I use this image. Look at this image. My bill, my job, my family, my boss, all these viruses, something where they can connect and they can understand this copy is for me. Okay, you're not writing the copy for masses, you're writing the content for one individual. Okay, and this is the 6th point, guys. And here comes my 7th point where I'm going to connect the product. Now, this, what I'm going to show you here, guys, this is the first time I'm revealing this. This is amazing method. And that is, guys, my 7th point. Here in this point, I said, guys, adding these 8 tropical plant extract, fat burning ingredient, watch the video. Now, I have not given product as a solution. Okay, here you have given this go and watch. This is a kind of announcement. Okay, go and watch. Why? No connection. Drink plenty water, eat high fiber, and suddenly you have given. So now you are playing a hoping and praying game in this landing page, right? Marketers never do that. Okay, only cheap marketers do that. Okay, do not do that. Now here, what I'm doing, the 7th point is, why don't you add these ingredients in your daily life so that it can help you to burn fat? No product, guys. Understand, this is the marketing you're learning. No, do not give product. With that, you're easily your buyer will understand, guys, you are pitching a product. Remember, guys, you are talking to a educated buyer. Okay. If you know the solution, on the same time, guys, they also know the problem, their problem. They don't need to know the solution, and that is what they have to know. I have given the images, top secret, science backed. Okay, images, and then, guys, I said right? A breakthrough study has proven ugly plant turbocharges metabolism. And I said, again, I took the number, women and men use this every day to dissolve fat. 500% more powerful than exercise, 600% more powerful than diet. Watch the free video and discover this amazing new fat burning secret that may help you to achieve your weight loss goal. Click here to watch it now before the video is taken down. So guys, if you can understand from the top, guys, I took them, connecting them, understanding, building the trust that I know your pain. Then I shared them little about metabolism, but so that they can understand these points are increasing the metabolism. Then I shared the 7 tip. So how to get all this copy, the breakthrough study proven, all these things, guys, all this copy, right? You will get in the email swipe, right? In their email swipe of Exipure in this case. Okay, look at this one here. You'll get all the copy from here. Okay. And you can write a breakthrough study has proven the ugly plant. And to get the ingredient fast, right, to get all these ingredients, you have to type in Google Exipure reviews. Okay, this is the fastest way you will get more about this product. Okay, and you can open any of the good review where they have shared you about the ingredients. If you go down, you will see this, right? Look at this, they have shared the Exipure ingredient. Okay, all these are the ingredient. So you can describe those ingredients, or you can just simply give the ingredients there. Okay, it's all up to you. So this is, guys, this is very powerful, which I'm using, and this is how you have to do, guys. Very simple. So if you can understand, guys, I took them from pain island, where they are into pain, to the pleasure island, where I've given the solution to them, right? Connecting each of these things, building the trust, sharing little about the science. Okay, and then, guys, the points, and at the 7th point, guys, I shared them the ingredients. No product, do not promote product. Sell them this ingredient you have to add, where to get this ingredient for that, and how this ingredient work for that. Watch the video, send them to the video. It's just very, very simple, right? Very effective landing page, guys. Now you can understand, right, how to improvise this kinds of landing page, and hope you got the value in this, guys. So now it's action time. You have to create your landing page very effective using organic traffic as well as in the paid traffic. Hope this video training is going to help you to create an effective landing page promoting in organic traffic as well as in the paid traffic. So before you go, guys, I will recommend you to watch this Quillsboard video, which will describe you how to write a content. Give the thumbs up, subscribe, keep smiling. Meet you in the next video.